Hello, scholars. This week we're going to create a project that's going to be really cool and really interesting. We're using the elements of art, space, texture, and value. And this project, our paper is going to be vertical. That means portrait style. And our name is going to be on the top, either left side or right side. It doesn't matter. That's your choice. You're going to write your name on the top. And when you're done, then you're going to flip over. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw your feet, or the sneakers of the feet. So here I'm going to draw a curve line on top. Going down a vertical line and then a curved line. Want it to be looking like a sneaker. Or a shoe. So we want to draw a oval shape here. But I did do a curved line because the sneaker needs to be a little bit more curved. So we're drawing a oval shape with a curved line on the right side. So now I'm going to draw the same thing on the left side. And how I'm going to do this, I'm going to draw up. So you want to make it look like a V. A V. And see curve on the top. Make an oval first for the drawing first, and then go in with the curve lines on the bottom and the side. This will be easier for you to draw the actual. So we're drawing oval with a curve on the side. And this is our sneaker bottom. You see I have all these extra lines. That's okay because I'm going to just outline using my marker. So I really don't need to make this perfect right now. Now we're going to do the hands. We're going to draw the hands. So you're going to draw your hand. Now my hand's actually pretty big. To be honest, my hand's actually pretty big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my hand freestyle. Well, actually, no, I'm not. Actually, your hand's a lot smaller than mine. So I'm going to try to draw my hand as small as possible. So I'm going to draw only half my hand and then just continue. You're in second grade. You have smaller hands than me. So your hands are not going to be that big. That's why I'm going to stop it here. Please draw your whole hand. You will have room because you're in second grade and you have smaller hands than Miss Romeo. My hands are pretty large. I'm an adult. Okay. And now I made some shorter hands. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now for this one, so instead of you're using this hand, you're going to use your non-dominant hand. So you're going to trace your hand. So I am a lefty. I am a lefty. So I'm going to trace my left hand using my right pencil. Take your time. This step is going to be a little challenging. because you're not used to drawing with some of you are right, some of you are righties, some of you are not. I'm a left-hand person. And just take your time when drawing it out. Yep, just take your time. And I'm almost done. It's okay if it goes off the paper, that's fine. Mine went off the paper because I have bigger hands. Okay. Now that this part is done, we're now going to make the head. Now I'm gonna move around my hands just a bit. Make my thumb a little bit more over here on the left side. And you can adjust, you wanna make sure that you have room in the middle to draw your person. Now we're gonna draw the head. Draw the head. This is the head. Now we're gonna draw the neck. I'm gonna draw the arms. And the shirt. Now for the shirt, I'm going to make two rectangle, open squares in the middle. And this is I'm actually gonna make this I'm gonna make this bigger. Want to make the shirt actually bigger. Want to make the person look proportional. So make the shirt bigger with two lines going outward to show the foreshortening. Now we're going to be learning about foreshortening, and this is called the element of art of space. It looks crazy. Yes, it does look a little crazy, but that's okay because we are drawing someone that looks enlarged, because if a person is on the ground, their hands and their feet are going to be larger in size. They're going to be larger in size. Just fixing. And all of this is going to be colored and outlined, so don't worry about all the other lines that are inside of the person. That's okay. Now I'm going to draw the hair and the facial features. Now for the hair, I'm going to make a girl. You can make a boy. That's fine. So I'll make some hair. I'm just going to fix some facial features. All right. Now that the hair is done, I'm going to draw the face. So I'm going to make a curved line for the nose, a smile for the mouth, to So this is my person. Now I'm going to add some designs. So I'm going to add some wavy lines for the shoe. So the bottom of your shoe usually has a pattern, usually wavy lines or zigzag lines or crisscross lines. The waffle print, those are crisscross lines. And we're just gonna add some nice wavy lines. Now I'm not gonna do a background. I'm going to focus on just coloring the person, outlining and coloring the person. Now you can add a design for your for the shirt. I'm gonna add the peace sign. You can add any design you want for the shirt. That's fine. And now I'm going to outline everything that is here with my black marker. Then I'm going to color. Okay, so here's the project finished. I colored the sneakers a color purple. You don't have to copy me. And then I colored the pants blue, the shirt orange, my hair is red, I have green eyes, and my skin color I used apricot. You can use brown, you can mix brown and yellow together, you can to create your own skin color for your design. You don't have to color the background. I'm not choosing to color the background. I want you to focus on the actual foreshortening, which is the sneakers and the hands with the actual portrait of yourself, the body.